Hey guys, my name's Kara Courtney and I'm a local realtor here in San Diego County, and I'm here at my newest listing. It's been completely remodeled from floor to ceiling and I'm excited to show you around. So let's go check it out. This home features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, windows, lighting, cabinetry, countertops, and a new roof. 1,440 square feet, and it's all on a single level. As you walk through the property, you can see that the home has been completely remodeled. There's new foundation, double reinforced subfloor, brand new flooring, new drywall, paint. There was also a brand new HVAC added. Super luxurious shower, all kinds of great details that really just take this over the top. And the price is something that you just won't believe. The home was reconfigured to include walk-in closets,